The greedy friend. Once there lived 4 friends in a village. They were very poor. One morning they met a sage praying near a river. They told him about their suffering. The sage gave them a stone each and said, "Walk towards the Himalayas. Dig wherever the stone drops." The 4 friends began their journey. After a while, the stone dropped from the first friend's hand. They dug the spot and found a chest of copper coins. After some days, the second friend's stone dropped. There they found a chest of silver coins. Soon the third friend's stone dropped, and they found a chest of gold coins. 3 of them said, "We have got what we were looking for, and there is enough for us to share. Let's return home." But the 4th friend wanted to continue. The other 3 friends left. After many days, the 4th friend, weary and hungry, saw a man with the wheel spinning on his head. He asked, "Why are you standing here with the wheel on your head?" No sooner had he spoken than the wheel shifted to the 4th friend's head. He felt miserable and his feet were stuck. He asked the man to remove the wheel. "This wheel of greed shall remain on your head until someone greedy reaches here searching for wealth," said the man as he walked away. The Foolish Donkey and the Fox. In a dense forest there lived many animals. King Lion had grown old and could not hunt anymore, so he appointed a fox for the job. The fox went hunting and he found a donkey. The cunning fox said to the donkey, "The king wants you as his adviser." The donkey did not believe the fox, but the fox convinced the donkey to meet the lion. The donkey followed the fox to the lion's den, but when the donkey caught sight of the lion, he ran away. The lion was angry. He told the fox, "Bring back the donkey, or I shall kill you." The fox rushed out and found the frightened donkey. He told the donkey, "The king didn't want to kill you. Don't lose this opportunity to be his adviser." The donkey went into the lion's den, and the lion pounced on him and killed him. The fox advised the lion to have a bath before enjoying his meal. The lion left the den. The fox was hungry, so he ate the donkey's brain. When the lion returned, he asked the fox, "Where is the donkey's brain?" The fox said, "The donkey didn't have one. Why else would he enter your den twice?" The Camel Ride. There were 2 friends, a camel and a jackal. One afternoon, they were passing by a watermelon field. The jackal and the camel feasted on the watermelons. After having their fill, the jackal began howling. "Dear friend, don't howl. The farmer will hear us," said the camel. The jackal replied, "Singing after meals is good. It helps digest food." The farmer heard the jackal howling. Soon he rushed towards the friends with a stick. Seeing this, the jackal sprinted away. The farmer hid the camel black and blue. One day, the camel went swimming in a lake. He offered the jackal a ride on his back. Once in the lake, the camel dived under the water. The jackal said, "Please stop diving or I will be drowned." The camel replied, "Diving is good because it helps build muscles." Then he took a dive again and the jackal was left panting helplessly. The Hen Goes Wild. Once a falcon befriended a farmer's hen. The falcon would perch on the mango tree in the farmer's courtyard every evening. One day he said to the hen, "Pardon me, Mrs. Hen, but aren't you being ungrateful?" The hen was angry. She said, "Why do you think so? What have I done?" The falcon said, "The farmer feeds you every day with the choicest of grains, yet you fly from corner to corner when he comes to catch you. Although I live in the wild, yet I am always grateful to those who show me even a little bit of kindness." The hen thought for a moment and replied, "Dear Mr. Falcon, would you feel grateful if you saw falcons being roasted by the people? I have seen many hens being cooked over fire. I fly from corner to corner, but had you been me, you would have flown from hill to hill."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.